Number 1. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,995. Comes with 167,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a green exterior, a gray interior, and a dependable gasoline-powered drivetrain. This clean title truck features fresh paint and the desirable Z71 off-road package. Powered by a strong-running 5.7L Vortec V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, it also includes a fully functional 4x4 system with high, low, 2WD, and neutral transfer case options. Inside, the truck is equipped with cold air conditioning, a strong heater, power windows, power door locks, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, and a factory AM/FM/CD/cassette stereo system. Additional features include wiper delay, full gauges, power steering, and power brakes for added comfort and convenience. Sitting on new all-season tires mounted to alloy wheels, the truck also comes with a spray-in bed liner, fog lights, and an HD tow package with extra cooling and a Class 4 receiver hitch, making it well-equipped for towing and hauling needs. Number 2. 2000 Ford Ranger, price $9,995. The truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine. This two-wheel drive pickup has only 52,000 miles and has been exceptionally well maintained. It features cruise control, ABS brakes, chrome wheels, a CD player, bed liner, toolbox, and a tow package. Recently serviced, it received all new shocks, front brake pads and rotors, a fresh alignment, oil change, and a brand new windshield. The truck also comes with both original keys, an aftermarket remote for the power locks that works properly, the owner's manual, original window sticker, spare tire key, and factory carpeted floor mats preserved underneath Ford rubber mats. The underside is very clean, exactly as expected from a Florida-owned truck. Number 3. 1997 Chevrolet S10, price $4,995. Powered by an excellent running 2.2L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission. It has 142,000 miles and comes finished in red with a gray interior. The truck is equipped with cold air conditioning, a strong heater, power steering, and power ABS brakes, making it a reliable and comfortable daily driver. This S10 also features the LS Sport Appearance Package, alloy wheels wrapped in 4 brand new all-season tires, an over-the-rail bed liner, sliding rear window, rear flip-out windows, and a third rear door for added convenience. Inside, it includes 60/40 cloth reclining front bench seats, a rear jump seat, all-weather floor mats, wiper delay, and a factory AM/FM cassette stereo upgraded with Bluetooth capability. Overall, it presents as a clean, practical, and well-equipped compact pickup with solid performance and classic styling. Number 4. 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,950. This comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a strong 5.9L V8 engine, and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. Finished in blue with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has spent its entire life in Washington and Idaho, remaining completely rust-free. With just 137,000 miles, it has been well maintained over the years. The Kenda A/T tires currently measure 9/32 tread depth. At 116,000 miles, the heater core was replaced. At 123,000 miles, the oil cooler lines, serpentine belt, thermostat, and water pump were all replaced, and the transmission was serviced at the same time. More recently, at 133,000 miles, the intake manifold gaskets and timing cover gaskets were replaced. Overall, this Ram runs strong and presents itself as a solid, well-cared-for truck with extensive maintenance history. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. Powered by a strong 355.7L V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It has 240,000 miles and features a clean white exterior with a gray interior. It starts right up, the 4x4 system works properly, and it has been well maintained over the years. Recent maintenance includes a new distributor cap and rotor, spark plugs and wires, wiper module, transmission oil filter, gasket, and fresh transmission fluid. It also has a brand new interstate battery installed. Additional parts including a serpentine belt, fuel filter, and speed bleeder screws for the brakes are already on hand and ready to be installed. The truck is equipped with an Ultima deep locking toolbox, K&N air filter, side steps, lift kit, upgraded wheels and tires, aftermarket exhaust, custom headlights and taillights, CB radio, and more. Number 6. 1992 GMC 1500, price $6,999. Solid classic pickup powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 216,844 miles, this truck still drives good and delivers the strong performance these older GMC trucks are known for. Finished in a clean white exterior with a striking red interior, it has a classic old-school look that stands out from modern pickups. This GMC comes with a clean title and features the desirable regular cab short bed configuration, giving it a sporty stance while still being practical for daily use, cruising, or light hauling. The truck has been well maintained for its age and offers dependable driving characteristics along with the unmistakable sound and feel of a classic V8. Number 7. 1994 Dodge Dakota. Price $4,700. Powered by a reliable 3.9L V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain, this truck is built to handle a variety of driving conditions, whether it's daily use, weekend adventures, light towing, or off-road driving. With 133,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and still delivers the strong performance and durability Dodge trucks are known for. Finished in a bright red exterior with a clean gray interior, this Dakota has a timeless look that stands out while still maintaining its rugged utility. The 6.4-foot bed provides plenty of cargo space for hauling tools, equipment, or recreational gear, making it both practical and versatile. This Dakota comes with a clean title and, according to Carfax, has no accidents or damage reported, giving added confidence in its overall condition and history. Number 8. 2000 Chevrolet 2500. Price $6,000. The truck is a solid and dependable 2WD extended cab long bed powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, this truck has 245,000 miles and remains in great shape for its age. It has consistently received proper maintenance and repairs whenever needed, helping keep it reliable and road-ready. The AC works properly along with all other major functions, making it a comfortable and practical daily driver or work truck. With its strong condition and long bed setup, it would make an excellent choice for hauling, towing, or general job site use. Number 9. 1972 Ford F100. Price $6,500. This truck is powered by a strong 390 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a dependable 9-inch rear axle in a 2WD setup. The truck shows 75,000 miles and runs on gasoline. It comes equipped with factory air conditioning, power steering, and a brake booster, making it a comfortable classic to drive. Finished in brown with an interior color not specified, this F100 has some rust but remains a very restorable project or can be enjoyed as is. It currently has a surging and rough idle believed to be caused by a vacuum leak, though it smooths out well under power. The truck drives and stops fine overall, offering a solid foundation for restoration or weekend cruising. Number 10. 1998 Dodge Ram 2500. Price $8,500. Powered by the highly desirable 24-valve Cummins diesel engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, the truck has 321,000 miles and has been heavily upgraded for performance, towing, and reliability. It features a South Bend Stage 1 clutch, Thurin off-road soft ride coil springs, Bilstein 5100 shocks, Core 4x4 heavy-duty control arms, and 35-inch tires mounted on 17-inch method racing wheels. Recent maintenance includes wheel hubs, ball joints, brake components, front driveshaft, heater core, and AC evaporator. Performance upgrades include a fast lift pump, edge comp box wired to the VP44, and 75 horsepower injector tips that are included but not installed.